and welcome to the Smart Lab Architects lab tutorial. Now I want to show you safety cabinets, fire safety cabinets and acid-base cabinets. So here you can have acids and bases and this is what they look from the inside. So there's no regular metal in it, it's very plastic because acids would usually attack metal, so you don't want to have that. There's always this polypropylene or polyurethane plastic overflow box, so in case any acids or bases would drop, they cannot leave this here. Also, if you see here, there's little holes in there. Come closer. There's little holes here in the back, and these are for the ventilation. If you go up a bit, there, go in, go in, go in. There you have them. So these cabinets, they are always ventilated, and they extract fumes to make sure that when you open them up, and you haven't been down here for a while, no dangerous fumes get close to you. So the other one, a fire safety cabinet, serves another purpose. You see it's way more stable, and that one, ta-da, works to protect you from anything that can burn or explode in here. So again, you have these overflow cabinets. You would store your acetone or ethanol or any other burning liquid in here. And if it fires up, like if something happens, it burns inside. And here you see these things here, and this here, and that here. These expand and they will close down and shut off everything inside. And also here in the back, you see little panels that will close down, and by that the fire will not get enough oxygen and die off. So if anything burns in here, it will burn, it will stop, and nothing happens to your laboratory. And also the other way around, if there's a fire outside of this box, it can't get in here. So the very burning, exploding, dangerous things in here will not be fired up if, for example, the fume hood is burning. So this is why you have these systems. Again here, what's really important is actually the grounding. So these are grounded, and then again, you have to ground them in here. There's a little connector in the back, and a 24-hour ventilation. So there's no chance, like if you notice when you touch something, you have little sparks. That must not happen here because you might ignite the box. So that's why all of these things are grounded. Thank you very much and see you around.